Hello. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about diction. And in diction, you have to learn an IPA, which is an International Phonetic Alphabet. And what IPA does is it allows singers to understand the pronunciation of words. Because, for example, our language is not a phonetic language, meaning that it's not written as it sounds. So, I'm going to just do a basic example of a word written in English. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down. Alright, so the word is cat. This is how it's written in English. Let me put it closer. This is how it's written in English, and then I'm going to transcribe it, which means transform it into the IPA, into how it's supposed to look in IPA. So IPA, the first thing you have to do is you have to put brackets around it, or it won't be considered IPA. So these are the brackets that you have to put on it. As you can tell, they kind of look like things that you would use in English, like English structures for sentences. So you have to put those first, because if you don't, then it won't be considered an IPA. So in IPA, the C in cat, the C is written as a K. So we're going to put a lowercase k, because in IPA, all letters are lowercased. And the A, for the A is kind of, it involves two letters, but they're formed together in IPA. So it's a combination of an A and an E. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. And then the T is just regular, as in how it's pronounced. So cat, the T is a T in IPA. So together it looks like this. Ooh. Cat, cat. They are both cats. So the top one is in English, and it's pronounced cat. So in IPA, it's kind of broken down. So the bottom one is IPA. So if we break it down slowly, then it's k, a, t, k, a, t. And that is basically the beginning of learning how to write an IPA. You just have to remember that you have to have the brackets in, because if there's no brackets, then it looks weird and they'll think, oh, is that an IPA or is that in English? And yeah, so that's the basics of IPA. And also IPA is used in different languages. Like it's used for, like whenever it says International Phonetic Language, Phonetic Alphabet, the international meaning it can be used everywhere. So this is used in English, in Italian, in French, in German. IPA is used for everyone. But the only difference is that other people have different, like other languages, it'll have different rules. Um, English was the hardest to learn, but um, it's kind of complex. Italian's much easier because Italian is kind of a phonetic language, so a lot of it is like how it sounds. So that's the basics of IPA for English. Um, thanks.